Download driver to set up HP OfficeJet 8600 series printer. Open any of a web browser in your PC and search for this website, which is 123.hp.com, and just press the enter key. Now you will find this website where you can see set up your HP printer by entering the product series name or model number in this box for your HP printer name, and get the right HP smart software and drivers for the printer. So as you can see, I have typed the printer model name in this box and I'm getting the search result, and this is exact printer model which I am looking for, which is HP OfficeJet 8600 series printer. So you can click on it and then click on next. Now you can see on the screen, to complete setup using HP Easy Start, make sure your printer is powered on, and in second step you need to install HP Easy Start software to complete setup by clicking here on this button. So this software, which is HP Easy Start, will help you connect printer to Wi-Fi, install print drivers, and create an account and register for the printer. You can see its model number and its image here, so that you can identify that you are downloading software for the right printer only. And this software is available for your smartphone like Android and iOS devices. So now we are going to install HP Easy Start software. After clicking on that, you will find this page where you can see download your software to start printing. So there are two steps. First of all, software downloaded, where you can see it is already started downloading. After download, you need to click on run. Now you can see file is downloaded with the name of full webpack 116.exe. So now we are going to launch it by clicking on open. File is extracting here, as you can see. After clicking, it will prompt you to make changes in your device, in your PC. So you can click on yes. So now you can see this software is launched and this screen will appear you. Click on next. Now it is asking you license agreement. So click on accept by clicking on checkbox. As per your preference, you can click on no thanks or yes. Again select that, and again you need to select that you want to share your data to analyze user application data. So you can click on yes or no. Now this software is launching and installing. There are many stages of installation, so you can wait for the same. After installation, it will ask your permission of connection options, that how you are going to connect the printer to your computer, like wireless or wired network or USB. So I'm selecting wireless and click on next. I'm getting this message as there is no any printer is available in my network, and if any printer will be available in your network, then it will display you here. Then you can select that and proceed further to set up your printer. So I hope this video was helpful to you. If you want any further help, you can call us on the given number in this video description. Otherwise, click on the support link.